How's it going? Today we got a Middara character expansion unboxing, the Erotes. Before we open this, let's take a look around the box. On the back, we get the description of what's in what it contains. 2 resin miniatures, 4 large cards, 1 art card, 2 item cards, and 4 mini cards. Okay. Let me grab my knife. I'm struggling with this box. 1 second. I have it partially open. If you want to know, this is Succubus Publishing's tagline, Stay Sexy. Okay. So as with the previous unboxing, the miniatures are contained in a separate box. Let's take a look at what we got. Big cards. So we have 2 intelligent opposing espers. The enemy something. We got 2 command espers. Looks like they're both fragile. On the back, we got character explanations. These 2 dudes up. Pretty cool looking art card. That is a huge mace. Would really not want to piss these guys off. Let's go over their initiative cards. 2 enemy initiative cards and 2 ally initiative cards. Looks like they're called Grim Devotion and Vain Desire when they're allies, and then they're the Erotes Resin Kit. From what I was you got a Valiant Heart and a Steadfast Devotion. Valiant Heart says, when you discard this, roll the black dice, gain courage if the book is rolled, gain barrier if the shield is rolled, gain both barrier and courage and barrier if the spell is rolled. It is an uncommon consumable. Steadfast Devotion has a passive for 1 SP. When afflicted by push, pull, or command effects, roll black dice. Reduce the amount moved by 1 from the shield roll. And you can exhaust this at any time to grant Steadfast Devotion's passive effect to another ally within SOI for any time. Okay, so you can give it to somebody, or and that is a 1. Here we go. We got this guy right here. A base. It's like 2 metallic looking or sword. It's pretty interesting, pretty detailed right there. You can see there's lots of intricate details. He is jumping up. Pose. Looks like he's holding a bow. Yeah, he's got his head and got a bow. Okay. And the big guy, he looks much easier to work with. He's got 2 angel wings, a pretty big body with a big stomach, a base. Not sure how he's going to fit on that base, but we'll see. And we got his big mace and big mace and big arms. Thank you for watching. That is all we got for today. Have a good one.